Good morning, friends. Today we are on an adventure and our first stop is the ancient forest. Come along. These trees are huge. They've been here for hundreds, maybe thousands of years. Look at that. Some bug is having some lunch. And here we are at the end of the boardwalk. The ancient forest has a boardwalk for all abilities, and they also have a hike up in the hills to the, there's a waterfall up there. Are we doing that today, Chuck?
Maybe.
Maybe. Enjoy the peacefulness. Arms of a giant.
Here.
beautiful day. Well, friends, we made it to the water called Ancient Forest. Beautiful. Hug a tree, friends. Path less traveled, maybe. friends, we did the boardwalk from the parking lot up to the waterfall and then the trail back down to the car. We're at a little over 5,000 steps and maybe around 4 kilometers. A little up and down hill, but the volunteers put some nice boardwalks in so it makes the walking a little bit easier. We hope you've enjoyed our adventures. We'll see you in the next one.